we shared the good practices for Malta, which were one initiative by the Energy and Water Agency to encourage behavioural change in citizens, which they can then transfer to other places they visit, like workplaces and entertainment venues. And another good practice, which was Renovate Your Home scheme for old private dwellings, which during the conference it was also identified that there's another project, another Interreg project, the Violet project, which is also dealing with similar new renovation methods targeting these heritage buildings, which are older traditional buildings that need specific solutions.
A good practice we can identify with this mechanical ventilation system in Italy to mitigate COVID, where we have implemented a similar project in Malta, and now we can find an optimal solution. Another good initiative is the energy bookkeeping in Slovenia, where we can find a similar approach to analyze the data to find operational performance benchmarks.
And so where are we heading now after we have learned so much? We have presented a new proposal, Detox, decarbonizing the tourism industry, because we have realized that although we have focused more on public buildings, now is the time to focus on tourism, whereby COVID has left its impact, and together with the high energy and fuel prices, more attention needs to be given to the tourism industry to make it viable and sustainable.